Most people don't know that they can actually use Google and this free AI tool to make over $100 in less than 30 minutes. My name is Dave Nick, and step number one is to go to Google and search for Google News, and then you want to go to news.google.com. Step number two, once you are at news.google.com, the next thing you want to do is you want to find the most trending news in the US. So you would basically just click on the US right over here. Now that's going to give you the top most trending news today in the US. Step number three is to go to a website called SEOwriting.ai and create your account. So you can just click on get started, it's free, and this is the website that we're mostly going to be using. You can just enter your name, email address, and password, or just continue with Google. Step four, now you can go to ChatGPT and you can paste this prompt, which essentially tells ChatGPT to give you top 10 ideas for blog articles that are going to be useful for the strategy that we will be using. And it's going to give you these different, based on true events, blog article ideas. So what you can do then is you can take one of these ideas. Let's say I'm going to go with the first one. Go back to SEO Writing AI, this AI tool, which is mostly going to do all of the work for you. You click on one-click blog post and you paste the main keyword here and click generate title. And this is an AI tool that you can use to generate all sorts of different titles. I personally used it in the past to create articles about yoga, about making money on YouTube, about short form content, Valentine gift ideas. Like you just enter one keyword and it generates a full article that can rank pretty high on Google. You can customize the tone of voice, you can change the language, you can change the article size. I just keep it like this. Then you can also enter the NLP keywords as well, which is going to help you rank higher on Google wherever you publish it, even if you don't have your own website. Then you can select how many images you want to be included. Let's say I want 3 images and I also want at least one YouTube video to be included in the article. Now once you're done customizing, you can either publish this directly to your WordPress website, or you can just click on run and it's going to be written for you. Then if you don't have a website, don't worry, you can still use this to make money from Google. And in a second I will show you exactly how to actually make your first $100 with Google for Google Electric. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to search for that event that actually happened, and you want to go to Google and you want to search for that event on Google and either find some bizarre images from Wikipedia. So for example, here we have a bizarre image on the right hand side, or you can just go to Google Images. So you can just click over here and it's going to give you all sorts of images regarding that event. So I'm going to use the black and white image because those are usually very creepy for most people. So I'm going to save this image to my computer. Now, as we go back to SEOwriting.ai, you can see that the entire article has now been written and it's about 4,000 words long and it's full of different keywords. And we even have these AI generated images that go really well with the actual article. And it's extremely high quality, full of different keywords and key takeaways and quotes. It's a really good article. So now you can essentially just copy this. You can just press on the copy button over here, and there's many different ways to make money off of this. The very first one is to just go to a platform called Listverse, where people are publishing these bizarre and interesting stories that have mostly actually happened in the past, so based on true events. You can then essentially go to the more section over here, click on write and get paid, and you can see that you can get paid $100 for every article that you submit if it gets accepted, meaning if it's quality enough. So you can just click on send it in or just open up the submission list where you can again get paid $100 for an article that you submit. Enter some details about yourself, enter the list title, which you can basically just copy and paste from SEO Writing. So you paste that here, clear introduction, that can be the introduction of the actual article, and then enter the full article over here. So you can just copy that and you can paste it like this. Now once you're done, you will just click on I agree to terms and conditions and click on submit a list. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and again search for that title or search for that event and then find an article that talks about that bizarre event that happened in the past. So for example, I found this one from history. This is the entire blog post and article talking about this event. Now next thing you want to do is you want to copy the link to that article that you found on Google that talks about that event, then go to Google and search for Shrink Me and open up this website which pays you when someone clicks on your link. So all of these people are making money from all over the world. As you can see, $5, $15, $63, $5 when people click on their links. So you can just register an account over here and you can log in. Just bear in mind that this is not being paid $5 per click, but $5 per 500 or 1,000 clicks. And then you just sign into your account and click on new shorten link and paste a link to that blog article that you found and click shorten. Now that's going to give you the short version of that article that you found on Google. And if you want to withdraw your money once you start making money from clicks, you just go to withdraw section, and most importantly, you enter your payment details in the profile section over here, so you select how you actually want to get paid, and then you can just click withdraw. Step 10 is to now go to a website called medium.com where you can publish articles that rank pretty high on Google even if you don't have a website, and you can just click on write, and you can again take that article from SEO writing, you can copy the title, you can paste it over here, and then you can copy the entire article. So just press the copy button over here and paste the entire article like this. Now once you do that, it's not going to copy the images, so you would have to do that manually. So you can just download these images, just click on save as, and then just save it in. And if it downloads the image as a web page, then you will just go to Google and search for web page to JPEG, or just take a screenshot of that image. So something like this, click crop, click done, and then go back and just upload those same images. Also remove the title, and then below that just add an image. And most importantly, you just want to add a link to a full article that you found on Google. Then highlight that call to action. Again, go back to shrinkme.io and copy the link of that shortened link. So again, this is my shortened link that if someone clicks on, I will get paid and they will be taken to that article. And then just paste a link to that article over here. So again, this is the ShrinkMe link. I will paste it here, and I will copy this entire call to action, and I will paste it between multiple paragraphs to make sure that when someone is reading this, they can see that they can watch or they can read the full article from the original source if they click on this link, and then I will get paid per each click. Now all I gotta do is publish this to Medium. I can also enter the topics over here to make sure that they're ranked for the right keywords, and then just click on publish now. As you publish that, you want to copy the link to the article, so just click on copy link. You can then go to imgur.com where people are sharing different bizarre images and entertaining images, so you can just click on new post, and this is a platform with millions of users, so you can just upload the photo that you've downloaded from Google or you've generated with SEO writing AI. You would take the title again, so you would just copy and paste the title here, and you can just say read the full story here, and you can copy and paste the link from Medium. So again, just click on these three dots and click on copy link, and then go back and share that Medium article. So now you can post this to community, you can post this publicly where thousands of people from Imgur can see your bizarre image, they can see the title, and they can see a call to action that they can read this on Medium. So this is going to help you get more views and more clicks and rank even higher on Google, get even more traffic. And when someone opens this up, they can start reading about this article, but they will also see that they can view the full story here, and if they click that link, you get paid per click. Now besides that, you can also sell these article writing services on different platforms such as Contra. So for example, this person is charging $100 to $150 per hour to write blog articles, and as you saw, you can easily do that with SEO writing. So obviously you can charge less because you're doing it with AI, but it's still being done times and times again. So this person is charging $75 per hour, and if you're wondering if they're actually making money, yes they are. 8 sales over here, 7 sales over here for $150 per hour of writing SEO blog articles, $150 made over here, $100 an hour, and 2 sales. You can also go to I Work Well, and this is another platform where you can get paid up to $195 per article that you write for these people, and you can just apply on this website. So you just got to complete their form over here, which is through Google as well. And you can also sell these article services on a platform like SEO Clerks. So you can basically just go to the job section on the left side and click on article writing, and you can get paid $10 to $40 per article that you write, which again, you can just generate with a tool like SEO writing with just one click of a button. So I'm going to leave a link to SEOwriting.ai in the description box down below, and if you got some value out of this video, just drop a like and I will see you next time.